What's up guys, we're LARPing today. We have our flannel on, we got some wooden toggles, which means one thing, we are talking about the SKS. If you've ever LARPed before, played paintball, or done a mil sim, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Before we start talking about this rifle, like with all firearms, make sure it is 100% unloaded before handling. So this is a Type 56 Paratrooper from the Norinco factory in China. Boom, China. It pretty much has the same sights as an AK, 1 to 1,000, same old, same old. The back of this one has a 3 on it. Don't know what that means. Could be an E, could be those weird letters in Russian, Chinese, I don't know. Fully encircled, it works like an AK. You push the tab left and right, boom. This SKS, when I bought it, it already came with this rail on it from China. I haven't seen a whole lot with an optic like this, but what I find real interesting is with how high it sets up off the rifle, which actually is really cool in my opinion, which makes you use the iron sights first before you use the optic. Now it is just a 4x20 optic. I mean, with how this whole rifle works, it's pretty much set up for you to use iron sights still, which personally, I really like these iron sights. I think it works really nice, and you could just get on and plink away. This rifle design is about 70 years old at this point. The rifle was used at the very end of World War II in a very limited capacity. It probably saw like a battle type of thing right at the very end. And yeah, right after this bad boy was the AK, so these didn't see a lot of service. Alright guys, I'm done LARPing, I'm done talking about this on the bench. Let's take it out to the range and see how this bad boy does. We finally made it out to the range, what you guys want to see, shooting the SKS. Keep on watching. Alright, so this rifle does come with one of these magazines. Kind of stupid looking. They work, it's better than shooting 10. So these are a pain in the ass to get in. First you gotta kind of get the bullets back, get it up. You have to actually open it to get this in, which really sucks. And then safety right here. The SKS might beat you up a little bit, but it sure is fun to shoot. This is one of those guns that I don't know why people like to make them tactical, whatever. Don't do it. That's not what this is intended for. This is kind of just a fun little plinker. Go out and have fun with it. Fun little fact about this rifle, I bought it from the original owner and he had no idea about this. Push the little button in, out comes the cleaning kit. First time I pulled out this cleaning kit, I mean, it's still covered in cosmoline. He had no idea about it. And I thought it was like the funniest thing, because I'm like, ooh, what's back here? What does this do? And he's like, I don't know, something's jammed in there. I don't know what's back there. And I push the button, and that's been sitting in there for 30 years almost. So yeah, that's the SKS rifle. As you can see, I'm done LARPing with my bandolero or whatever that thing's called with the wooden toggles. So I have the flannel on. It's a little cold in Colorado, so figured I'd keep that on. But yeah, SKS is pretty dope. If I got any of the info wrong, just feel free to go down in the comments, correct me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.